That sound like a good one, fam. Let's just look at that slag. Woo! We could just tell before he even hit it off, fam, that he ran it good. It's about the same size. His travel speed was in there. Like he killed it. He tried. Look, he tried something new with y'all. He trying to see if he could just pop it from the side, but he almost did it.
Yeah, just hit it. Yeah.
It ran good. No holes detected. Oh, fam, that was good. That was a good run. That was a good run. That was a good run. Now he's about to work on the test. Let's check him out. You see how he's comfortable? It's always good to know what you're getting yourself into. Always prepare for your next well. Make sure everything is set good. Run you a couple beads flat just to make sure that the machine is good. And other than that, fam, you're going to be okay. See, he's been running some uphills here, fine-tuning himself. He's like, oh, man, I'm ready. So just remember, when you are testing, it's just a walk in the park, family. It's just a walk in the park. You got this. You got this. But practice does make perfect. Practice does make perfect. So just keep that in mind, family. You'll be all right. Before you start, hold up, stop. This is a good teaching example. Let me zoom in on this. Y'all see that? Make sure you clean your nozzle, because that stuff can get in your well. Clean that off. All that can get in there and put holes in your well. That was a good example, family. Because y'all get to going and burning, and you'll forget to clean off the tip of that nozzle with all them BBs on it. See, all that stuff can actually fall into your well, and you can have a great well, and a piece of that fall in there. Now you got to grind that whole well out because it ain't got some trash in it. So always prepare for yourself. Before you dive in, I would say after you do 2 or 3 passes, stop and just clean the gun a little bit to make sure you don't get no trash inside of your well. Not bad, fam. Not bad. Yeah, they wasn't bad at all, fam. He dropped that. We're going to put this wire brush on there so we can clean it out real good. And we're going to dive into the next process. Okay, salute. You just started your 7018s, huh? Okay, salute. Stay with it, fam. You got it. I actually was doing this evening. I'll probably go live and do some more on this one. This is actually a practice 1-inch coupon for stick welding. And we'll probably do some up here to kind of help people fine tune, but that's all we're doing is 70, 18, 3/32 rods. Okay, so you did real good. So you see how just right here you got a little hump on your tie-in? Yeah. That ain't gonna hurt you at all. Now, if you felt like it will, with this you can, so you could put the grinder on there and just knock that piece down to make it easy when you're going through there. So if you want to do that, that'll be a good prepare now, because you can use the grinder on this, so you can put it in and just knock that little piece down, and that way when you come over here, it'll be an easy transition. So it's like preparing, putting that extra step in. Yeah. But it wasn't bad. Now, you could leave it in there, but since you got the time and you can use it, just go on and knock it down. Yeah. Like certain steps will just make it easier for you. So all you're doing is literally just coming across it when you put it on. You're just coming across it like this just to knock this down to about the even of that previous well. Yeah. And then keep it going. Salute. He's getting it in, fam. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for that love.
Shit, once you dip it, you gotta run it all the time. Woo, that was
Okay, if you have a hard time on doing that, just remember to strike it like a match and make sure you got enough amperage, because if you don't have the proper amperage, that can make it hard to restrike it too. Woo! He's dropping dimes, fam. Well, we can almost see ourselves in there. The man in the mirror.
No talk.
No talk. He said he get to the money, fam. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for checking in. We appreciate all the love and support. We are going live in Little Rock, Arkansas at the Goodwill Academy. You can't forget about the up now. He been hitting horizontal and uphill and flat. He ain't touched the overhead today. Let's watch him do the overhead, fam. This is Simon Says Welding. Make sure y'all check him out. He just did him a new YouTube channel. He just started welding, so we're gonna support him, family. Y'all watch his journey. Simon Says Welding on YouTube and coming soon Instagram. Just take your time. I don't know what happened. I think you got too close then. You got too close. Yeah. Way too close. Look, he did. Again? Yep, and we ain't got no more tips, fam. You done burnt yourself out for the day. We ain't got none. That was done. You got way too close. See what happened when you get too close? Here. You burn your whole tip up, fam. That's an evidence of travel speed, angle, gap. Travel speed, angle, gap. Yes, that's great. Now, come right over here. Now, you got two ways you can do this. You can run this one here. You know, take your time, watch that side, and then run that one there. Take your time, watch your side, and then we should have 2 or 3 more. All right. Just when you're doing this one, you don't want that bead to go past this. So you want to watch this. You want to keep that lip on it. You want to fill it up to as close to the lip, but not over the lip. Yeah. And that'll give you your bead size, and that also will keep you from having to do multiple passes. You're just taking your time filling that thing up.
Like kind of start like right there.
Yeah, and I actually angle it like this here. That way you like right in that groove, and then when you get ready to do that one, angle it right in that groove. Yeah. You see what I'm saying? And help fill it in. Or now, with this, since that's your root pass, you can technically go right over top of this with a slight weave and fill it up too. So that's an option too. It's whatever you feel comfortable with. You can actually weave right over the whole top of it, you know, and do the same, just barely. And then you can go with the stringers. And that's going to give you another stage and fill it up more. It's going to give you less pass. So it's all on what you feel comfortable with. You can go with straight stringers, or you can weave over the whole thing. It's all on you. Thanks for the love, fam. We appreciate it. We appreciate it. Y'all see the way he's setting himself up? I'm finna see if I got this one, because I looked through this deal. We got some rods, some more tips coming, but we really ran out. We got a lot of 3.5s, but we don't have no more 0.45 tips. And hold up, I think I might know. Nope, this ain't one. Yep, this is one. We might can fix this one. Hold up, y'all. Look like sometimes you can find old tips. Like I just found right here. We might can fix this one. I just found the old one on the floor. It still got the wire in it, but we got to put the grinder on it. Show you a trick. Woo! Woo! Y'all see that, don't it? Boy, he dropped that one. That was excellent. You see how you kept it? Mm-hmm. Excellent. Do that next one the same way. You see how you paid attention? That was good. Now it's gonna happen. Once you do this one, you fill it up, and you filling it up. So now once you fill this one up, now you only gonna have 1, 2, or 3. That'll be your count. Yeah. You get what I'm saying? And you done. All right. But that was excellent. That was excellent, fam. 19 years old, fam. He's finna change the game for himself. He finna change the game for himself, fam. Like real talk. I'm finna see if I can help him, so I'm gonna let y'all watch him real quick. Come over here and help bro. See if I can find this some more tips. We just ordered some, but we ain't got no more.
Yeah, I cleaned it out. I just got the burner and cleaned it out and everything. The tip? I mean, right here.
Yeah, I found one on the floor. See, look, I found this one. It got a piece in there. I'm gonna see if I can grind this out and take that motherfucker off. Okay. So we get them. We sure ain't got it. They ordered some. They did order some. They knew we got to have them immediately. I told them I got to take the class down.
Yeah,
they don't want to do that.
I couldn't see a color.
Oh, that happens. It's all
I
good.
gotta figure something out.
It happens.
Down in the other one. I'll figure it out.
Well, I tell you what. I bet it's my friend girl, man. That's my mother, man.
Like that.
You
said it was a big winner like that.
Yeah, some of them like to just put them under the. I'm gonna tell you, a lot of folks probably got it figured out. They have the business here, they have that expectation. And they expect you to be something that they ain't doing. I tell them, you got the audacity to tell me I need to be something, okay. Are you that too? Can you be that too? If you can't be, don't expect it out of me.
That's why I prefer a chick I can grow with.
Exactly. We gotta go together.
We'll grow together. If you already grown and I ain't, or vice versa, there's a chance
It ain't gonna work.
Right, somebody eventually gonna. But if we grow together, then we came up for the nothing now. Y'all boys enjoy lunch, man. I'll get with y'all tomorrow. Sorry about that. Is that one gonna work or do I need to grab one?
Oh, it's working.
That's what makes it right now. Oh, shit. I'm gonna leave my clothes. I ain't gonna do that.
Yep.
Time to get you in the spot.
All right, fam. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll be here bright and early. Same time, more than likely.
All right.
Get my ass up and get out the house.
How you doing? No, but that ain't really. So what you did, you just went a little too fast. But your plate is still even. So how we gonna fix this? We gonna, cause see, this is flux core. So all you doing is filling up the wells. So you see how right here, if you look here, you barely down. So you can fix this two ways. We can always start running the cap. When you come here, you slow down. Right. The add. You get it? So we can fix this in the cap because you just got it a little low. Right. But when you come and when you start over here and come across, you can fix it. Yeah. So that really wanted to mess up, but you just kind of went a little fast right there. That's right. It. But that's not. So now since you on this stage, now we can let it cool a little bit. All right. Cause now the last stage is the 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So I would let it cool. You can take a break real quick and come back if you want to take a break, and then we'll come back and go and knock it out. So y'all check him out, fam. He's getting it in. A little slight error, you just went a little fast there, but we can fix that in the cap because all he got to do is slow down just a hair. But he filled it up pretty good. And this is flux core, family. Hold on.